I am here to get a little retouch on my Botox. It's been about 3 months, so I'm ready to get my forehead and my crow's feet done. The lines are starting to creep in again, so I'm here to see Dr. Emer to take care of that for me. I think that Dr. Emer is just, I trust him. I've used his products, I've had his treatments, and I know that he does amazing work.
Hey you guys, we're here doing one of my favorite treatments. Preventative BABYTOX is what we call it. We're not only going to keep her looking like a baby, perfect skin and no wrinkles, but we're also going to do baby amounts of neurotoxin or Botox injections. And we're going to do a small injection first to the center area. This is called the procerus. I'm going to go right in there. And then squeeze in again. I'm going to relax this corrugator muscle. We're going to go right into there. And I'm doing a little vibration so it's less pain. And I'm just going to be conservative, squeeze in again. Relax, perfect. And I'm gonna come right up. So I want to keep her having a little brow lift. I think it's good, but I don't want her to have too frozen of a look. So we're just gonna do small amounts. We call that the BABYTOX, just to soften it at the edge. And this is also gonna improve the overall look of the skin. So we're just going to preventatively lift the brow, relax this side, and improve the fine wrinkles. So we're going to go around here. We're going to go right here. I call this a matzo ball technique because I'm injecting a big bleb in the center, and then I'm going a little bit around the side. Tend to do a little bit more aggressive on the eyes and a little less aggressive on the forehead because I just think it looks more natural. This area a little more aggressive, this a little less, so we can keep a brow lift and a look natural look. How did that feel?
Great.
Are you excited because you love Botox?
I love me some Botox and I'm very excited. Hi guys. I am here just showing my week-and-a-half results of the Botox that I got with Dr. Emer. As you can see, I was looking to target some forehead lines as well as some crow's feet that has been creeping in. My Botox is mainly preventative, but I have had a little bit of movement and lines creeping in, so I wanted to address those with the treatment, and it definitely did, and I will show you as I move my forehead. There's a little bit of movement there, which I wanted, but barely. There's just, it's all smooth sailing up here. Another helpful thing with Botox that I discovered from my last appointment with Dr. Emer is that it can help with acne, which I have been getting because I have bangs, which you can't see right now, but I do have bangs. And with the summer and the oil, I was having breakouts, and the Botox has just really cleared up my skin pretty quickly, and it feels smooth and lovely and gorgeous. And I feel great, and I feel like I'm ready for summer.